Hi all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video is about this makeup look, and coming to the video, it is basic simple makeup which we're gonna use with the minimal products. This you can call this as a makeup routine kind of a video, which you can simply and easily do it. I'm gonna show one or a couple of products which are very nice, and you can use it on a daily basis as well. And that's all. Let's get into the video. So first thing, always make sure you clean your hands. This is just a sanitizer I'm using. And so I'm gonna use today is the primer from Mars. I'll just gonna link all the product details below, so check that. I'm just using this primer. The thing is, I'm gonna finish this makeup as soon as possible, since it has a very less makeup products to be used. This is just the primer, and I'm gonna use Face Shop product, this one for moisturizer. And also I'm going to use this Garnier Skin Natural. This is really very nice, guys. So this is wrinkle lift. Anybody who is above 30, make sure you use this product. Foundation, I'm using this Rimmel London Match Perfection product, and this is the shade 303 True Nude. This is one of very nice shades that you can use, and I'm using this Mars for makeup brush. This is like 2-in-1, I guess 3-in-1 makeup brush. So I'm going to use this. Yeah, this is the one. All you have to do is just blend. Since it is very minimal makeup look, I'm using a very less product. So we're done with blending the makeup. I guess we are good to go. So the base is ready. Done with the base, and now I'm going to use this Rene Pro HD color corrector. I'm just going to use my fingers to blend it. Yeah. So use the same brush which you already put on the foundation. Just blend this. Okay. Then moving on to eyebrows. This is the Eyebrow Palette, which I'm using it from Mars. Yeah, here is the palette. On to this eyeliner. This is from Lakme, and this is a basic one which I really like it, and I've been using this from very long time. Easy to apply. Done with the eyeliner part, and next I'm moving on to putting a little blush. So I'm using this crayon from Color Treasure for my blush, and I don't use much of a blush, guys. So in case if you're willing to want to use, you can use this. Then just so a little blush which will never go wrong. So yeah, I'm not going to put on any contouring highlighters or anything today, because since it's a basic makeup, the routine things that which we use for in daily life. So just basics. Yeah. Next I'm moving on to no, this mascara from Mars. I don't know why I ordered this. I do not like this product much, but since I bought it, I'm using this brush. Which it has is like very no, it's not smooth to use. You should be very careful while using it since it is very sharp. So yes, done with mascara. And yeah, so my skin basically is a combination one. So once I put on makeup, after a couple of minutes or maybe like couple of hours, my skin starts glowing and it looks very shinier. So maybe it's because of oily skin as well. So due to that reason, I do not use shimmer shiners much, but since I wanted to show you guys this product, this is from Rene, the face gloss product. And what does it do is it's basically give you that shine kind of a look. All you have to do is just put on a single drop, just a little, and you will be just do dabbing. So if you can see, this is the shiny thing. You can feel this is a shine that you can get. And moving on, let me put on a little more because it looks nice. That's it. And the very important thing is lip balm. Don't forget it. And for today, I'm using this My Glam liquid lipstick shade. I don't remember. I'll just mention it in the description box in case if you like it. Yes, and this is a setting spray. I don't remember which product is that, but I put it in this this tiny bottle. Let it just dry. So I guess that's it for today's video. I think I did not miss anything, but in case if you think, yeah, one important thing I missed is sunscreen. Please make sure you just apply it based on that. But other than that, this is the makeup that you can do. Actually, because I wanted to show you on the video, it took very long time for me, but otherwise it's just 10 minutes thing to just put on. And a few things is like eyeshadow, contouring, these things I didn't do it. Why I already mentioned in the video. But other than that, this is the look, the simple look which you can do it on a regular basis. And also these are all affordable products and minimal products that you can purchase it and use them. And one of my favorites is this Moisturizing Emulsion from Face Shop. Like, I just love this. I don't know how many tons of these bottles have been used. And my new current favorite is, it's not new, I already used it like when I was a teenager, so like ages ago, but this is again, I'm coming back to this product. This is also very nice. It moisturizes your skin a lot. You can use that as well, but other than that, I guess this is the short and cute video, and this is the look you can have. That's all, guys. Thank you so much for watching the video, and if you like it, please make sure you subscribe and like the video. That's all for today. Bye bye.